again. You should feel like two magnets pulling you together. And
heat.
And heat. And energy.
Tingling.
Yes, tingling. Everyone has a different sensation.
I haven't got any.
You have got some. It's always there. That's the auric field, that's the energy we're going to be working with today. Don't know, when I first started I was going like that. But now it's easy to find. So that's your personal energy. In the centre of your hand here, the chakras. And when you do this, you're activating the healing energy coming out of your hands. And if you massage a child or that, they do say that your hands got hot, and that's the energy coming out of this part. You don't have to do Reiki or any other energy field to get that energy started. That is possible. Any questions on that? Okay, so from physical, which is here, to out about here is your auric field, and that's where you get a lot of negativity attaching to yourself. So we'll be working on all those.
You're glowing it.
Sorry?
You're glowing.
Am I? With energy?
No, you can see your aura.
That's good. So we're going to be working on those.